crowd to the left for the parade pass, flown at 200 feet at airspeeds approaching 300 miles per hour. From the left, the Fat Albert Parade Pass.